Welcome to the ultimate guide on Instagram SEO secrets, where I'll reveal everything you need to know to rank higher, grow faster, and explode your reach on Instagram in 2025. Most people think Instagram SEO is just about hashtags, but that's only a tiny part of the game. The truth is, Instagram's algorithm is getting smarter every day. It's becoming more like Google, relying on keywords, intent, and user behavior. In this video, I'll share the insider secrets that influencers, brands, and marketers are using to dominate Instagram's search and discovery features. You'll learn advanced techniques to optimize your profile, captions, hashtags, alt text, and more. So if you're serious about growth, stick with me, because this is going to change how you approach Instagram forever. Section 1. What is Instagram SEO? Let's start with the basics. Instagram SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization on Instagram. In simple terms, it's about optimizing your content so that Instagram can easily understand, categorize, and recommend your posts to the right audience. Just like Google scans websites for keywords, Instagram scans your profile name and username, bio, captions, hashtags, and alt text, and even the content inside your images and videos. Instagram's goal is to serve users the most relevant content based on what they're interested in. That's where SEO comes in. The better Instagram understands what your content is about, the higher your chances of appearing in search results, explore page, suggested feeds, hashtag pages, and even in Reels recommendations. The algorithm is smarter than ever. It can detect topics, objects, text inside images, and even the mood of your content using AI. That's why optimizing your content for SEO is no longer optional, it's essential. Section 2. The new Instagram search algorithm, 2025 update. Now let's talk about how the Instagram search algorithm works in 2025. In recent updates, Instagram has made significant changes. Search results now prioritize content that matches exact keyword intent. The algorithm scans multiple signals like engagement rates, content quality, relevancy, and even semantic understanding, meaning it looks for context, not just keywords. Instagram now incorporates AI-driven image recognition, object detection, voice-to-text for videos, and NLP, natural language processing, for captions. User behavior plays a bigger role, meaning how people interact with your posts affects your ranking. So if someone searches for fitness tips for beginners, Instagram isn't just looking for the word fitness. It's looking for content that teaches, educates, or demonstrates beginner fitness tips. In other words, your content needs to answer the intent behind the search query. This is a huge opportunity because most creators still focus only on hashtags. But if you apply true SEO techniques, you can rank higher and dominate your niche. Section 3. Instagram SEO secrets, profile optimization. Let's start with your profile. Your Instagram profile is like your homepage. It's one of the first things the algorithm scans. Here's how to optimize it. 1. Username and name field. Your username, a handle, should reflect your niche if possible. The name field in your bio is indexed by Instagram search. Use targeted keywords here. Example, instead of John Smith, write fitness coach, fat loss expert. 2. Bio. Include your primary keywords naturally. Use clear, niche-specific phrases that describe who you are and what you offer. Example, helping busy professionals lose weight fast with home workouts. 3. Category. Select the most accurate category that aligns with your niche. This helps Instagram suggest your profile to the right users. 4. Contact buttons and location. Having complete information boosts trust and searchability. The goal is to make your profile highly relevant to your target audience and easily understandable by Instagram's AI. Section 4. Instagram SEO secrets, caption optimization. Now let's talk about captions. Captions are one of the most powerful yet underutilized SEO tools on Instagram. Here's how to optimize your captions. 1. Use keyword-rich captions. Naturally include your main keyword within the first 125 characters. Instagram prioritizes the opening lines of your captions. 2. Long-form captions perform better. Longer captions give Instagram more text to analyze. Explain, describe, educate. The more context you give, the better Instagram understands your content. 3. Use LSI keywords, latent semantic indexing. Use related terms and synonyms to strengthen your topic relevance. For example, if your keyword is home workouts, you might also use fat loss at home, bodyweight exercises, quick home routines. 4. Call to actions, CTAs. Encourage engagement, likes, comments, shares, saves. Engagement signals boost your SEO ranking. 5. Use emojis strategically. Emojis can act as visual keywords. For example, dumbbell emojis in fitness content signal workout. By optimizing your captions for both keywords and engagement, you feed the algorithm with strong SEO signals. Section 5. Instagram SEO Secrets. Hashtag Strategy. Hashtags still matter in 2025, but they're evolving. Here's the updated hashtag strategy. 1. Use niche-specific hashtags. Focus on highly targeted specific hashtags related to your content. Example, instead of just hashtag fitness, use hashtag fat loss journey, hashtag home workouts for women. 2. Use keyword-style hashtags. Treat hashtags like search keywords. Think about what your target audience would actually type into search. 3. Mix different sizes. Use a blend of low, medium, and high competition hashtags. Example, 3 large hashtags for 1 million plus, 7 medium for 100,000 to 1 million, and 10 small for less than 100,000. 4. Don't overuse. 12 to 20 well-targeted hashtags work better than spamming all 30. 5. Hashtag placement. You can place hashtags in the caption or first comment. It doesn't affect SEO. 6. Trending and location hashtags. Use local or trending hashtags when relevant to increase discoverability. Remember, hashtags act like search queries. They help categorize your content. But the caption context still carries more weight. Section 6. Instagram SEO Secrets. Image and video optimization. Instagram's AI is now scanning the actual content inside your photos and videos. Here's how to optimize for visual SEO. 1. Use clear visual themes. Consistent style, colors, and themes help Instagram categorize your niche. 2. Add text overlays. When you include text in images or reels, Instagram can read it. Make sure your keywords appear naturally in your visuals. 3. Use native captions for reels. Add captions directly inside the app. The voice-to-text feature helps Instagram understand your spoken keywords. 4. Avoid clickbait. Misleading thumbnails or irrelevant visuals confuse the algorithm. Stay on topic to build content trust. 5. Video titles for reels. The first few seconds matter. Say your main keyword early. Instagram now uses voice-to-text AI to analyze spoken words. By feeding the AI accurate visual and audio data, you increase your chances of being shown to the right audience. Section 7. Instagram SEO Secrets. Alt text optimization. Most people ignore alt text, but it's a secret weapon for SEO. What is alt text? Alt text is descriptive text that explains what's in your image for visually impaired users. But Instagram also uses it to understand image content. Here's how to optimize it. 1. Write custom alt text. Don't rely on auto-generated alt text. Describe what's in the image using your target keywords. 2. Be specific. Instead of writing woman exercising, write woman doing home workout for fat loss with dumbbells. 3. Keep it natural. Avoid keyword stuffing. Write as if you're describing the photo to someone who can't see it. Adding well-written alt text gives the algorithm another layer of context about your content. Section 8. Instagram SEO Secrets. Engagement signals. Instagram's algorithm heavily relies on user engagement signals to rank content. Here's what matters. 1. Saves. Saved posts are the strongest SEO signal because it indicates high content value. 2. Shares. When people share your content, Instagram sees it as highly relevant. 3. Comments. Longer, meaningful comments help Instagram understand your topic better. 4. Likes. Likes still matter, but they carry less weight than saves and shares. 5. Profile visits. High click-through rates to your profile boost your authority. 6. Watch time. For reels. The longer people watch your reels, the stronger your SEO signal becomes. Pro tip: actively encourage these behaviors in your captions. Ask questions, offer downloadable resources, and prompt your audience to save or share your post. Section 9. Consistency and niche authority. One of the most powerful Instagram SEO secrets is niche consistency. Instagram favors accounts that stay highly relevant within a specific niche. Here's how to build niche authority. 1. Focus on one core topic. Avoid jumping between unrelated niches. Stay focused to build authority signals. 2. Post consistently. Consistent posting tells Instagram you're an active content creator. 3. Create series content. Series posts like Day 1 of 30-Day Fitness Challenge build anticipation and increase watch time. 4. Collaborations in your niche. Collaborating with other creators in your niche amplifies your topical authority. 5. Consistent keywords. Across content, use similar keywords across your profile, captions, hashtags, and alt text. The more Instagram sees you as a reliable source in your niche, the higher your content will rank. Section 10. Instagram SEO Secrets, Bonus Advanced Tactics. Here are some extra advanced Instagram SEO tactics for 2025. 1. Use Instagram notes. Yes, even notes in your DMs can carry keyword signals. 2. Pin SEO-optimized posts. Pin your highest-performing, keyword-rich posts to the top of your grid. 3. Voice optimization in Reels. Instagram now uses speech recognition AI. Say your keywords naturally in your videos. 4. Use carousel posts. Carousels generate more engagement and longer watch time, which are positive SEO signals. 5. Embed Instagram posts on your website. External backlinks can help build your Instagram authority, just like web SEO. 6. Track your keyword rankings. Use analytics tools to track which keywords you're ranking for in Search and Explore. And there you have it, the complete guide to Instagram SEO secrets for 2025. By optimizing your profile, captions, hashtags, visuals, alt text, and engagement strategy, you're not just gaming the algorithm. You're helping Instagram understand your content and deliver it to the people who want it most. Instagram SEO isn't a one-time hack. It's an ongoing system of clarity, relevance, and consistency. If you apply these strategies, you'll start noticing more search visibility, higher Explore page appearances, faster follower growth, and more targeted audience engagement. Now it's your turn. Go audit your Instagram today and apply these SEO secrets. You'll be amazed at how quickly your growth accelerates. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more powerful Instagram growth strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.